Hello and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day with Radhika. This is the space where I share interesting beauty recipes, DIY hacks and simple tips and tricks with you all. We have all been using and loving sheet masks for a while now. With the recent lockdown, my supply of sheet masks has absolutely been compromised. So I thought of making a DIY sheet mask using the most interesting ingredients right here in my home. For this, we will require a fibre bag, scissors, freshly squeezed orange juice, fresh turmeric juice, and half a lemon. I'm going to begin with cutting the fibre bag into the shape of a face mask. Let's cut those eyes and lips. You can roughly put it on your face to see if it fits you. With the sheet mask ready, now let's move on to the juice. I've got with me some freshly squeezed orange juice. Now, orange is very high in vitamin C, antioxidants, as well as citric acid. It's going to ensure that your skin remains acne-free. It will ensure gentle exfoliation, as well as it'll brighten your skin. If you don't have orange, you can use any other fresh juice. All juices are high on minerals and antioxidants. In the orange juice, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric juice. I've used fresh turmeric. In case you don't have fresh turmeric, just feel free to use turmeric powder. And finally, a few drops of lemon. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent. It instantly brightens your skin. Finally, mix. The juicy concoction is all ready. It's time to now dip the sheet mask in it. Keep it in there for about a minute and then take it out and refrigerate it for 10 minutes. I've refrigerated the sheet mask for a couple of minutes. It's ready and I can't wait to try it. Put it on, sit back and relax. I've thoroughly enjoyed the experience of using a fresh, juicy sheet mask. I kept it on for about 10 minutes before washing it off with cool water. And now my skin feels bright, uplifted and completely hydrated. Hope you get to try it at home as well. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends and comment in the section below. It really encourages me. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy and stay beautiful.